Hello everyone, this is Damon with PixNub Software. In this video I'm going to do a quick demonstration of Chroma Key Lab version 2. In version 2 there are 7 different workflows which I'll explain a little bit more in a bit, but first I'm just going to run one and show you what it's doing. It remembered all the settings I used last with the exception of CSV data. If you're using CSV data you'll have to load that each time. I'm just going to run this and explain what this is doing. The first thing it's doing is doing an extraction of the green screen using Easy Green Screen. Next, based on the workflow that I chose, it's going to do a face recognition, and then it's going to automatically scale and compose that, and it puts that in the template where you define for it to put it in that template. And it also replaces the text and scales the text if you have your CSV file set up. That is optional, but you really can't see what's happening here. It's happening too fast, so I'm just going to pause the video, and when it's done we'll take a look at the images. Alright, the batch processing has completed. It did 10 images in 2 minutes and 33 seconds at 15 seconds an image. So I'm just going to show you the images that it created here. These were our source images. It made a new folder. I'm just going to open these, and I'm going to show you that it scaled the image properly. It put the text for the player's name, number, position, etc. in there. And watch the face for each image, and notice how when we scan through these, the face placement is perfect on every single image. And this is adjustable. You can set up your placement however you want. I'll also show you on the text, it automatically scaled the text so the players with the long names, it fits onto the template, and the players with the short names, it'll stretch that out to fill the template. Now, this is an optional thing you can do in your CSV file, but it's super handy. And just wrap your mind around this. 15 seconds per image is all it took to build these complete posters. And that is all-inclusive time. That is the time to open the image, the time to extract, to do the face recognition, put it into the background, enter all the text data in, rescale it, and then save the image. I don't know of any other software in the market that can do what this does with the quality it does it in the amount of time. There's just nothing else out there. So I'm just going to show you real quick and explain the different workflows we have. Now in version 2, you've got 7 workflows instead of 2. In the first column, which is only one workflow, but that's if you want to just batch process extractions. In the next column is if you want to do compositions only, and this is if you already have pre-extracted images. So if you've already ran the extractions in batch here, you could then come back and make your posters or whatever it is you're making it. It doesn't have to be sports posters, but you can make your compositions here. And you can also if you're doing an image extraction service for your extractions, then you could use Chroma Key Lab to build your compositions. In the last column, which is what we used, it's for the extractions and compositions. This is where it will extract the image and then do the compositions all at one time. And there's 3 different workflows to each, which are pretty similar in how you set up. The only difference is in how it's placing the foreground into the image. There's 3 different ways to do that, each with their advantages and disadvantages. I will discuss these in a different video, so please be sure to watch that as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you're interested at all in Chroma Key Lab, please be sure to visit our website. That is pixnub.com.